Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can no-lace your shoes. Now this is a lacing technique I saw a few years ago on an old lace anchors video, and I got inspired and wanted to give it a go for myself. If you want to see the original video, I've linked it in the description for you. So start by taking your lace up through the bottom eyelet on this side here, pull it all the way through, leaving about this much exposed. Don't worry about this little end, we'll deal with it at the end. Then take the lace all the way across and down into this eyelet here. Take your time with this, there's absolutely no rush, just go super slowly and pause the video as much as you need as we go along. To create a little bar just like that, make sure it's nice and straight. Then we're going to take the lace, bring it into the third eyelet up from the bottom, from underneath here. See? It goes underneath just like that. And then we want to bring this lace all the way across to the right hand side and into the third eyelet from the bottom here. Make sure it's all looking nice and straight. And as you can see, the bars of our O are starting to form. Then take the lace and bring it into the next eyelet up, so the fourth up from the bottom from underneath here. Remember to just keep pausing the video and go as slowly as you need. Now we're going to bring this lace back over to the left hand side and down into the eyelet here. Make sure it's all looking nice and straight. Take your time. And then we're going to feed it down and into this eyelet here. So go back down one, bring him up and through. Like this. Then we're going to carry on taking it all the way down to the bottom eyelet on the left hand side here and feed it through. Making sure everything looks nice and straight. As you can see, mine's all twisted up. That's no problem. Now we're going to take this lace and slowly feed it up underneath all of this. See? And then we're going to feed it into the fourth eyelet up from the bottom on the left hand side, just here. So it's coming out just like this. Then take it over the second eyelet down from the bottom. If you have 7 eyelet shoes, if you have 6 eyelet shoes, it'll be the top eyelet. But for me, it's second from the bottom. And you can see we're starting to form there, part of the end there. Then you want to feed this lace again, just down underneath everything. Take your time, it can be a little bit fiddly, but there's no rush. And then we're going to bring it up and through the very bottom eyelet on the right hand side here. Might want to pause the video here and just take a moment to get everything looking right. Now we're going to take the lace and bring it down into the third eyelet from the bottom on the right hand side here. And as you can see, that finishes off our O. We're really starting to get there. Then take the lace up underneath everything, just like this, and up underneath from this eyelet here. Don't worry, we'll tuck all that away later. And we're going to finish off our N here, bring it straight across into this eyelet here. As you can see, we've got our no looking pretty good. Now you're probably wondering, what am I going to do with this lace end and this lace end? Well, there are 3 things that you can do that I'm going to show you now. The first way you can do this is to just tie a knot in your laces and then tuck them down into the shoe. This personally doesn't bother me, but there's another way you can do it, which I'll show you now. If your shoe has a removable insole, you can simply tuck the laces down underneath the insole, push the insole flat and it'll hold the laces in place, or you can use a lace anchor. Lace anchors are a handy little tool that keep laces stuck in place without the need for tying, and here's how they work. Just simply attach it onto the end of your laces, pull it flush with the eyelet, tuck the lace down out of the way, and your pattern won't come loose. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be awesome if you could hit the like button and help it reach more people, and subscribe if you want to see some more awesome lacing tutorials.